10 foods to include in a diet for a healthy liver. If you have fatty liver disease, there are 6 foods to stay away from. A nutrient-dense, whole food-based diet high in fiber, protein, and unsaturated fats is typically advised for people suffering from NAFLD. In the healthy body, the liver eliminates toxins and makes bile, which is a protein that converts fat into fatty acids for digestion. Changes in lifestyle can stop fatty liver disease from worsening, even if it damages the liver and stops it from functioning as it should. Losing weight with the combination of calorie restrictions, exercise, and healthy food is the first line of treatment for NAFLD. The diet for fatty liver disease often consists of, contrary to alcohol-related liver disease, NAFLD is brought on by heavy alcohol consumption. It is more prevalent in patients who have certain diseases including obesity and type 2 diabetes. The following foods can be a part of a diet for a healthy liver. Number 1. The daily cup of coffee you drink might help shield your liver from NAFLD. Regular coffee drinking is linked to a lower chance of acquiring NAFLD, as well as a lower risk of liver fibrosis progression in people who have already been diagnosed with NAFLD, according to a review published in 2021. In patients at risk for liver problems, caffeine also seems to reduce the quantity of aberrant liver enzymes. Number 2. Greens. Spinach and other leafy greens include substances that may aid in the battle against fatty liver disease. According to a 2021 study, eating spinach especially reduced the incidence of NAFLD. This finding may be related to the nitrate and unique polyphenols that are included in this leafy green. Number 3. Beans and soy to reduce the risk of NAFLD. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, soybeans, and peas are not only nutrient-dense foods, but they also include resistant starches that assist with enhancing gut health, according to a research review of diet and liver disease. Consuming beans may even benefit those suffering from obesity with their blood sugar and lipid levels. A 2019 study also discovered that diets high in legumes especially reduce the risk of NAFLD. According to a few studies, eating soy, whether in place of meat or fish, or when consumed in the form of miso soup, which is made of fermented soy, may help protect the liver. This is most likely because soy contains a high concentration of the protein conglycinin, which is known for lowering triglyceride levels and possibly preventing the buildup of visceral fat. Tofu is a great option if you're attempting to reduce your fat intake because it's a low-fat food that provides a high supply of protein. Number 4. Fish to lower fat and inflammatory levels. According to research, taking an omega-3 supplement may help people with NAFLD by decreasing liver fat, increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol, and reducing triglyceride levels. Number 5. Oatmeal. For fiber. Oatmeal is a whole wheat cereal that is high in fiber and has been linked to a lower risk of illness related to NAFLD. A healthy diet full of high fiber foods like oats is useful for people with NAFLD and may lower lipid levels according to studies. Number 6. Nuts to aid with inflammation reduction. Nut intake is linked to decreased oxidative stress, insulin resistance, and inflammation, as well as a lower incidence of NAFLD. Increased nut consumption was found to be strongly associated with the lower incidence of NAFLD in major studies from China. Additionally, eating walnuts has been reported to enhance liver function tests in persons with fatty liver disease. Number 7. Using turmeric to lower liver damage indicators. High doses of the turmeric compound curcumin may lessen the indicators of liver damage in those with NAFLD. According to studies on turmeric supplementation, 2 enzymes that are unusually high in persons with fatty liver disease, alanine aminotransferase and aspartate aminotransferase, may be reduced by the vibrant orange root. Number 8. Using sunflower seeds as an antioxidant. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that is frequently utilized through supplementation in treatment of NAFLD, is particularly abundant in sunflowers. Despite the fact the majority of the research on vitamin E and NAFLD focused on dietary supplements, a 100-gram dose of sunflower seeds contains roughly 20 milligrams of vitamin E, which is more than the daily recommended value. Number 9. Increase unsaturated fat intake. This is why the Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on foods containing unsaturated fat and capacity to lower total cholesterol, is occasionally advised for those with NAFLD. Number 10. Garlic to improve overall health. In addition to giving food flavor, this vegetable also may assist persons with fatty liver disease lose weight and body fat by supplementing with garlic powder. According to modest experimental research, patients with NAFLD who took 800 milligrams of garlic powder daily for 15 weeks observed improvements in their enzyme levels and liver fat levels, according to a study published in 2020. In terms of eating whole foods, a 2019 study discovered that raw garlic consumption was inversely related to NAFLD in Chinese men, but not women. Your doctor might advise avoiding some foods, or at the very least eating them in moderation if you have fatty liver. These foods can raise blood sugar and generally cause weight gain. If you have fatty liver disease, your doctor could suggest developing a food plan with the help of a dietitian. Here are some other lifestyle adjustments you may do to enhance the health of your liver in addition to changing your diet. If you have NAFLD or are at risk of getting it, making certain dietary and lifestyle adjustments can help your liver stay healthy and lower your risk of getting NAFLD. According to studies, the best strategy to enhance liver functions, reduce illness risk, and encourage healthy weight reduction is to eat a balanced, nutritious diet that is high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. If you have NAFLD or are concerned that you may be a danger, work with a dependable healthcare provider to develop a treatment strategy that incorporates food adjustments as well as lifestyle alterations like boosting physical activity, enhancing sleep, and lowering stress. Your diet has a big impact on how healthy your liver is. Changes in lifestyle are the greatest way to treat fatty liver disease. Hepatic steatosis, sometimes known as fatty liver disease, is a general term for the accumulation of fat in the liver. More often than some would like to admit, people frequently stop at their preferred fast food joints or drive-thru. If you learned anything from this video, be sure to leave us a like and share it with your close friends. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel as we will be releasing more great videos in the future.